You cannot stop me from talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, General Asa Buja. No be small thing, no. This general don come outside come talk say that nobody fit stop am of talking of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If Shekumi Gumi, abi wetin he call himself, the head of the terrorists in Nigeria, will come outside and defend the Boko Haram, the ISWAP, the ISWAP, all of them wey dey buy people for inside the Nigeria, all the whole terrorists, this man is the head, going to negotiate with them. But you will see Igbos coming outside to preach, bringing Nnamdi Kanu, let them buy, even to the people in hand over government to their hand. My people, things are happening. Our brother, whether they call Onyobodo, don't come outside, come make a heavy point for this particular video wey him do. I go play the video. Na Igbo man, na him do Igbo man. The best way you go fear if as an Igbo man, na you follow Igbo man, because the thing is getting too much. You follow Igbo man will see you for no reason. Is angry of one or two. So that is why other tribes are taking advantage of this thing and they are penetrating into us deeply, because we cannot stand for one thing and achieve that one thing. One person must come out, go thinking way, he no pass. He's the one who have sense, he's the one who have brain. So however, let us watch the videos before we come back and continue.
Truth no good again. I go for the side of Nnamdi Kanu. They say make I need to talk about Nnamdi Kanu. Make I need to talk about, why I no go talk about Nnamdi Kanu? An activist. She will go Abia State, go Aba, go the protest, make them release them. We are not talking about Africa, Biafra or IPOB. We are talking about releasing Nnamdi Kanu. They say Nnamdi Kanu kill person, in do this, in give order, in do this one. When they arrest Asari that could go Awonga, make I tell you one story. All of us know the story. When Asari did detention, so many people use Asari name, Alhaji Asari, will be king today, will be Amayanabo today. They use the name, they cash out. When they do kidnapping, when they arrest company, when they arrest Oyibo, they go say, release Asari, or we no go release them. When the people pay ransom, they go collect, they go release them. Another group go again for Bayelsa or Warri or River State or Calabar anywhere, release Asari, they go, they commit crime, they say release Asari, but when they pay money, they collect. All in the name of say they arrest Asari the detention, the king the detention. They use the name, they cash out, use the name, they do kidnapping, they do robbery, they do dirty work. All now Asari. And all of us know, so nobody Asari send them. They use and they reach themselves. They use and they put money for their pocket. They hustle, they reach themselves. All they go say na Asari. Asari send them. No. Asari no send them to do kidnapping. Asari no send them to do robbery. Asari no be man where they do those dirty things. But that time when they hold them, you go see kidnapping everywhere. They go say, hey, they don't leave Asari. But when they pay them money, they go collect. The same thing with Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu, you know they see. Thief people go thief, they go say release Nnamdi Kanu. Then go burn shop, release Nnamdi Kanu. Even opposition, governor, the opposition go scatter to shoot gun, they go say release Nnamdi Kanu. This group will go do something, they go say IPOB. Kidnappers will go do something, they go say IPOB. Thief will go do something, they go say na Biafra. Anybody will do something, release Nnamdi Kanu. You go see bad boy, robbery suspect go do something, they say Nnamdi Kanu. We know all this game. We know all this game. People who don't like Nnamdi Kanu go commit crime, they go say na IPOB. People who hate Nnamdi Kanu to remain there, they go say na IPOB. They commit crime every day, they go say na Nnamdi Kanu. We know all this game. This game then they tie on now. When person talk through and I say, why you talk through? This thing then they tie on now. You don't tire me. Just like this one, Obi Kubana chief priest, they go Imo State. They go do on your mandate, which I stand on your mandate. See people, Papa. See matured men. Iberibe warrior. See foolishness on your mandate. The mandate where they shake or mandate where they sink. See price of Gary, cucumber. See price of watermelon. See price of everything. See price, this one, and Nigeria, they produce them. See the price. Carry 100,000 go market. You go small island, come back. It's on your mandate. See solar for villa. They don't put solar for villa. I saw now solar. It's on your mandate. Now solar they say on your mandate. On your mandate, no light. Nothing we see for these 4 years. And they sing on your mandate. The boys going to carry convoy, military everywhere, uniform, food everywhere. In the governor, or no. In the deputy governor, no. In the this one, no. No position. Say that president's son. The one why they hear again say your wife. She wife. Go see the convoy. The wife anywhere they go. See the convoy everywhere. If your governor wife know this like that. Now so we're gonna go. Now like this we're gonna leave. Somebody talk through and I say, on the track them, on the find them. Somebody call me, why this one go. Now I make I put to my number. If they find who to track, if they find who to arrest, I am there. I'm waiting. I don't bring myself. Frame me up. Set me up. I am an activist. If you find dirty thing where go, you set me up, you don't go see. Track me come. At the fear tracking, man will carry death for pocket the waka. Death is unbeatable, and then they fear him. I carry death for pocket the waka. Either they move me, either they shake me. I don't grow past to threaten death. Go ask people, go see my grown-up children. See my grown-up children. How I go fear? Fear death. Say what thing happen. I may make an arrest. Truth no good again. Person talk through, find what to talk. Find what to set them up. God punish all of an idea. We say truth no good. All of an we say truth no good. Turn the fire on. You see what the Bumi they talk. Bumi they protect their own. Our own they go say, come kill the wrong come. Come catch him, he wrong come. Come fire him, he wrong come. Come sentence him, he wrong come. They go say, come set him up, he wrong come. See them, they protect their own. They are all, the Fulani, they come and open, they protect their children. He said, they are our children, don't touch them. Oh, Jesus. They are our own, don't near them. And then they see him. He go well, southeast, betrayer, informant, in southeast, he no go well.
Only obodo you are tribalistic. Only obodo you are this. Only obodo you are that. Only obodo why is supporting evil. Because maka na Igbo okoko. Ona amara ori omali ha na alu. Before I can know this statement, but I don't want to believe it and I don't want to join that ideology. But it's beginning to be obvious that this is the truth. That the problem of an Igbo man is an Igbo man. The problem of an Igbo man is an Igbo man. It is beginning to be obvious. It's beginning to be obvious now our agenda. No, na ndị Igbo. Due to hatred, I know, everyone know. I ask people anya ka ifia. Onye bese n'isho nwanne m mkpochiri na azụ nwanne m mana njọ mana ọdịna mma support ya mbụrụ tribal bigot mbụrụ na support ihe ọjọọ. The same thing Nnamdi Kanu mee ka the same thing Sunday Igboho mee. Ebe ka Sunday Igboho onye Yoruba nọ today. Ebe ka Nnamdi Kanu nwanne anyị nwoke nọ today. The people that proscribe IPOB terrorist group abroad the Hausa, abroad the Yoruba, all the Igbo, all Igbo governors, Nokolono, one terrorist group. Sunday Igboho was arrested, Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, the Yoruba, all the Yoruba elites, monarchs, religious leaders, Ndolu Noku, Jebe meeting, Nabaran Tepu, Baba, Sunday Igboho have to go today. Nnamdi Kanu, any one of his video, ever make his statements, see the hot or Benya. Or hands off the agitation. Here you know, one of what is senior ego, but senior government America. Here you know, what behavior benefits the masses, especially people from the southeast. Lauren I Wolf, Lauren I Inca, Lauren I Hospital, Lauren I Inca. At least I remember that video. 6 things go name that will benefit the masses. Bill and afraid that come on the issue, first segment of issue. Till people like us say the code what the handwriting before I come up here also. He was not just attacking Bilon, he was attacking Igbo businesses. Or just use your Bilon at test grand, come on or your work. Manatile kapo your call work. If that's it, you will crash price of things. How if I need it? You try say a crash high price of fuel that will benefit everybody. Crash high price of hospital bill, price of school fees, price of cement. Cement is selling over 10,000 per bag. About the price of iPhone and bicycle. All those things are not essentials. Ndị Igbo na into business for the handwriting, the code no use other upon Ababa. Because 80% of importers in Nigeria are Ndị Igbo. But till that time, till now, price of the car crash go rugi. I use now your brain. Each one of the attack is on period. The attack on period. City boys, you know city boys in Yoruba. If you go there, outside them city boys. City boys movement was set up for you Igbos to fight your own brother. Not to talk for presidency. As simple as APCB. Take it or leave it. Why not you about them city boys? Why not outside them city boys? Why not Igbo ka holo? Igbo if you be influential ka holo, teen city boys that will confuse and convince the masses against their own brother na apata. You the only candidate what the corona upon aso. Ghana prison. What the numbers of Igbo na prison and the other tribes na prison. Terrorists in Boko Haram na ejidefa. Imagine a terrorist group. Terrorist group we prescribe as terrorist group. Ejide no judgment but one news we holes. Manage the Boko Haram. No judgment. Nothing. About her rehabilitation or her orientation. After 2 weeks, I put her. Ye have one down a row and a military. This is what is going on in your country. Manona Maho. I don't know why supporting period. Coca. I got one name. Come where so I have to sell my brother out. Come where please, mother. Come where please, Yegi. You job me quack. On your job downfall. Let nobody speak for you. We will be on the African with first segment. I bring the full year name. The first segment. I call attack. People start speaking up when you attacked his business. His business email attack because of his business. You went as far as bragging you will crash solar panel keke. And this is not the problem of Nigeria. What a price of this only the Afia to able a problem of Nigeria. When I bought my phone and go off from 2 vendors, only a price. At the end of the more I can choose you. Also, I'm going to other so some rice 10 million. Each one you go reach away, Gaba. I'm going to today when he said you would go iPhone XR, D-Rod version 5 million. I told you again when he see he a price of you in oil. Now, food the one again. The best way I'm making would you like to put to a price? Marketing strategy. Company in a Milk. Abri yeluna milk like a pick milk cooler. Abri pick milk like a cowbell. Abri a cowbell like a trecan. All of them price in key. All the seller for and key due to price competition. Would you like to put to what are the attack at the business? You call him a thief and a scammer. Can't go see a thief, not a life. Ya also yensu. It's the same coca haka. What is here and kete? I'm beginning to dive into that ideology that the biggest problem of an Igbo man is an Igbo man. Because so an Igbo man can use super. Very dark man be a Lord. Simple like us, because we saw the handwriting. I remember I drive it too. The same very dark man be able to show where the Yoruba bloggers need your map. Say you can't try it with our brother. Expose what very dark man. If we are wax our wax is here. You got me what I say now. Say you forge a shot. I say now. Say another shot. Yes. I say that show them in car. Say now. Say on a food go a carry go. Show it have not been finished or maxed. On a sabbatical leave for 10 days. If there's some why supporting B, why supporting B Lord? B Lord is my friend and my brother in good, in bad, and in horrible times. I will stand behind him. That's what friends do for friends. It's as simple as that. I like my friendship with him or my support with him. What? What do you work you? Don't want the election, Lulu. Chineke mera ya mana. Chineke mera ya mana. Ke wolu presidential tickets nye Peter Obi. That is when you will see the real truth. Here, Nigeria plan rule Punti Igbo. Just come on down. It's a matter of time. Nothing in a fridge. Come on down. Even when me na bring go down, check can me bring her down. All the same brother. Because one day you use, all the moon can you use. West Town. Every friend I try another influential Igbo man. Who you go yapota? Take out of them kepu no go some picture bloggers and content creators and go to write rubbish against Alex Oti. Yoruba blog ye be oh can be book I where Alex Oti mba. Come on down. Why everything you need review. When Buhari after for presidency, there's an upo Walundi I come more down. I to Buhari. Na after Buhari, no Lucia. Buhari achia Tinubu bia. Ofia ka na akọ. Je na ihe yo le dochie na ede about Peter Obi. Yo le dochie na ede about his own brother because of politics. On ya ye use. Onye Yoruba ya dade ele ya. Aya to ndi ime uno. Ya dade man listen na Tinubu ya wanted 10,000 votes in the next election. Oh how akata ka be use see. Since 1960 till now, how many years? An Igbo man Apupe, an elected president of Nigeria. Only Kebiapu was just a ceremonial president. Zik, Omoko Wochi, only to power but Tafa Belawa. An Igbo man, it has never called for a consign for your Igbo race. It will not. Because I know about Igbo, Wayo. I don't need a plan against Bill of the work. Almost all the importers in Nigeria now will be seen shaking. All the importers in Nigeria, Bundibu, you're not shaking.
I'm certain that there is no Fulani herdsmen in Nnewi where I reside. I'm certain that Fulani herdsmen cannot come into Nnewi to harass anybody. It's not possible. It's not possible. In fact, Igbo people have an adage. No oke no n'ulo. Gwala oke no n'ofia, na azụ no na ngịga. No Fulani herdsmen will invade an Igbo.
You people should check some people you see on social media talking, claiming they are defending Ndi Igbo. Check them, take them to Sakia and check them very, very well. Because these people, they have problem. They really have problem, and that problem need to be paid attention to so that we will not follow person where they crazy so go enter inside gota. Abeg, may wanna share this video. Drop your own opinion for inside comment section. This guy that wear this red cap, who is that guy? Because I be seeing him talking things that is not in line. Does that mean that these people are not in the same country with the Northerners? Or is it that they are not seeing what is happening in the north? Because I see the north severally coming out to talk, arrest ESN, capture Nnamdi Kanu, arrest. That was their praises, their singings, until Gumi come outside and say, use Igbo man to fight ESN, recruit Igbo man, and that is what is happening in Southeast. But why so our own part of Southeast, those ones who are against Nnamdi Kanu idea, ASN, and other groups, why are they not even interfering as well, talking about what is going on in the north? Go to their pages, you will never see them talking about it. Does that mean that they are part of Nigeria, they don't like that part of Nigeria? The part of Nigeria they like is the Southeast, the part of Nigeria of Southeast, because the north are talking about what is happening. They are claiming that ESN is buying their cows, this one, that one, they should buy them, they should arrest them. Why can't these people like Ijele, the one that in face look like monkey, I don't want to know that guy name, I'll say it again, with this one that wear this cap that look like somebody that have all those children that used to come out spit in their mouth. There's many of them with some old fools, you see. So why are they not talking of what is happening in the north? Go to their pages, you'll not see it. All the whole Christian they are buying in their side. Guys, share this video, drop your own opinion in comment section.